In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background color in Photopea, step by step, in just a few seconds. This is a really useful trick, whether you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, mockups, or any other design where you want a clean, custom background color. The best part is that it's super easy, and you don't need any advanced editing skills to follow along. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, make sure your project is already open in Photopea. On the right side of the screen, look down to the Layers panel. This is where all of your design elements are listed, and it's also where we're going to add the new background color. At the bottom of the Layers panel, you'll see a row of small icons. What you want to do is click the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle that's split diagonally into black and white. Once you click it, a pop-up menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Color Fill. As soon as you do that, a color picker window will open instantly. This is where you can choose the exact background color you want for your design. You can click anywhere in the color box, adjust the shade, or even enter a specific color value if you already have one in mind. When you're happy with your choice, click OK to confirm it. Now Photopea will add a new color fill layer to your Layers panel. At this point, the new layer may not be in the correct position yet, so the next step is very important. Drag the color fill layer all the way to the very bottom of the Layers panel. You want it underneath all of your other design elements, so it acts as the background instead of covering your text, images, or shapes. Once it's placed at the bottom, your new color will instantly become the background color of your design. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Photopea. This method is fast, flexible, and perfect anytime you want to adjust the look and feel of a project without starting over. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.